Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mangesh, and in this video we will cover Unix command practice. In previous video we have learned what is the use of Unix, and we also check what are the flavors available in the market. Like under Unix you'll get AX operating system, you'll get Linux operating system, Sun Solaris, HPUX. If you are well versed with all Unix commands, then you can easily work on any flavors of Unix. Under Linux there are multiple flavors available, which is providing by Red Hat, Fedora, then Ubuntu, then s- then CentOS. These are the available flavors in the market, and you'll get those set up in the Google also. Terminal, where you can hit the command and get the output. So obviously, if you are aware of all Unix commands, then you need to hit on the terminal to get the output of that. uh, in my channel there is a video I have shared how to install the Ubuntu terminal on your Windows, or Cygwin terminal, where you can easily do the all Unix command practice. You can see on the screen hash on terminal. If it is a showing hash, mean you are logged in with the root user. The way in Windows we have an administrator user, which is admin one. In Unix we have a root user, okay, which is a super user. And apart from root, other users can also access your operating system, so they'll come in the normal, and in front of them you can see the dollar symbol. Let me show you my screen. This is what the Ubuntu application I already installed in this laptop. And you can see here dollar sign. It means I have logged in with other user. I wanted to know which user is logged in this laptop, and then there is a command, who am I command will tell you that Mangesh is a user currently log in with this laptop. And you will get a chance to switch the user also. Like I want to log in with the root, then there is a command, su or sudo is a power sudo. We will learn what is a sudo minus s. Then I'll go with the root user. Look at this. Hash means I'm logged in with root user now. Who am I? Okay. uh Exit, used to exit the session. And now I'm again coming back to my normal user, that is a Mangesh, and we will do some basic command practice here. First command is cal. It will print current month calendar, and it is highlighting today's date also. So cal will print current month calendar, along with it will highlight the current date also. Now cal command has multiple attributes. If you are aware of cal command, that is fine. And if you want to see how many attributes are available under cal command, then man command will come in the picture. Man is a help command in Unix. If you require any command's help, what are the attributes available under that command, then you can ask to the man command. Now how can I ask? I need to put only man space cal, enter. So it is the information about the cal command, uh, what cal command is doing in the Unix. Then these are the attributes which you can use along with your cal command. Now how to use these attributes, then I'll show you practically how to use this. But this is a man page. i'm not able to uh, I'm not able to quit it, close it. To close this man page, you need to use q option on your keyboard. I'm pressing the q. Now it is a quit. And I have seen some options about the cal command. Cal minus 3. It will print previous month calendar, it will print current month calendar, and it will print next month calendar also. Again, I want to clear this terminal, then there is a shortcut key, Control L. It will clear that terminal. Cal 2020. It will print the 2020 years calendar here. Okay. Let me clear this one again. Control L. Cal 1990. It will print that year's calendar here. Now let's jump to the next command called as date. It will print today's date and time with where your server is available. See, date. IST means I am available in India, and today's date and time is this. Again, under date you will get a number of attributes. So I'll show you what kind of attributes you can use, and you can get it from the man page also. So let me open my PDF where I have given some date commands attribute, like date plus percentage %m. Let me copy this. So now Control C, Control V will not work here. If you want to copy anything, just select this, like, okay, and right click on your terminal. Whatever you will select, it will get copied on terminal. Right click, it will get paste. Okay. So Control C, I'm doing it because I don't want to execute. This is wrong one. Na? This is not the right command. It will throw you the error. I'm using date in capital again. This is I have entered something wrong. That's the reason. DATE. I have mentioned date command capital letter. This is not the right command. See, it will not. It will throw you the error because this command is not available in Unix. Date command has to put in small letters because Unix is case sensitive, and you need to use correct command. So it is not giving the output because it is not working. Date command is not found. You can see. Okay, let's see. Date, it is printing today's month and calendar, but under date we have one option. We will see all those options here. This is what my PDF. Date plus percentage m. So percentage m sign, what will do, it will print month number. Now this is a January month, so it will print number 1. This, if it is a February, then it will print number 202. If it is a December, then it will print number 12. Next, after that we have a j used for the month name. Up arrow you can use to check which command you have executed previously, and I'm just editing it. Okay, so guys, J will tell you today is the 28th day of the year. If my date is I'll show you one Excel sheet. In January we have how many days? 31 days. So it's a year's 28th day today. Okay, then this is 31st day, then again 32. So first Feb would be 32nd day of my year. Then 33, second Feb is 33rd day of the year. So in this way you'll get this output. So today is a 28, that's the reason you got 28, 028. Okay, if it is a second Feb date is there, then you'll get this output. This is 33rd day of the year. Now, okay, here I have done some mistakes, that's the reason. Okay, let's go to the next one. How to print the month name. There m will come in the picture. Let me put m here. uh, m will tell you the month number, and h will tell me the name of the month. Okay, so if I have mentioned both together, then I'll get output like this: percentage m, percentage h, small h, huh? Number one, first month, that is a Jan, like this. Again, let's go to the next. What are the attributes are there? Where is my PDF? Yeah. uh, I want to print today's date, then there is option D will come in the picture, percentage D. So today's date is 28. What is the year? This is a 22, 2022 actually. This year will print. If I'll put percentage capital D, it will print entire date uh, in DD YY format. What is the time now? I want to check in hours, minutes, second. This is capital H for hours, capital M for minutes, capital S for seconds. Look at this. Now this will get changed in every year because seconds are changing now. That's the reason. So capital H for hours, capital M for minutes, and this S for seconds. 13 hours, 3 minutes, 59 seconds. This will get changed. 13 hours, 4 minutes, and 14 seconds. Okay. Then next, what command is there? Date, percentage, capital. Okay. Here, instead of this, you can use capital T also. Look at your output. DD, your time will show in that format. 13. It's 1 p.m. actually. That's the reason. It's a 24 hours watch. That is the reason it's showing like this. So where this option I'm getting? It is it is there in my man page. Man space date. All options, all attributes are available here. But the way of using these applications, sorry, these The way you are using these options is different. You need to use plus sign, and later you need to put all these things, percentage a, percentage, so you will get the output like that. These are the date command attributes which you can use under date command. Q used to quit the man page again. Let me go to the next one. After date command we have a echo command. It used to print some message on screen, like echo Mangesh is staying in Pune. Look at this, Mangesh is staying in Pune. So echo helps you to check, or it will help you to print the message on the screen when you are going to do any kind of automation, or you want to print some message on the file or in the output. That time echo command will come in the picture again. In architecture you have seen there is a shell contains all Unix commands. In the market we have multiple shells. Okay. If you do the how many shells are available, there are a number of shells available in Unix. People have designed the shell as per their requirement. And in this laptop if you want to check which shell I'm using, then there is a command echo dollar shell, you will mention in capital letter. So I'm using this bin bash. Okay. This mostly getting used in Unix, Linux, and this is latest shell in Unix. There are similar shells available, bin ksh, which is a con shell. Okay. I'm just giving hash. Then there is again bin slash csh. This is C shell mostly used in programming. So uh, echo dollar shell will tell you which shell you have in your system. So in my system I have a bin bash. In few of the system these shells you can see. If you are working on a server level, then such kind of shells you might get a chance to see. But what kind of shell is available, this command will tell you in your laptop or in your system. Now echo command also has some one more command I would like to mention here, echo dollar home. It will tell you which is your home directory. So once you log in your Windows laptop, you can automatically come to your desktop. Here if you logged in with Mangesh user, automatically you'll come in Mangesh directory. So that would be your default directory. After your login you'll come in this directory. In Unix we will call directory for folders. In Windows we have a folders, in Unix we have a directories. Both are the similar. Then in folder also you can create a folders and files. In directory also we can create a directories and files, that we will see. But Windows is very user friendly. Okay, but Unix, for each and everything we must be aware of all these commands, and that commands we will learn in this practical. So these are the basic command I have started just now. Let me go to the next command. Echo dollar shell I have just done. Then there is a command called as bc, used for the calculation purpose. Calculator, I have used bc. Now calculator open. 5 plus 5, 10, or 6 into 6, 36. See, my calculator is working fine. To exit from the calculator I need to use Control D. This is a shortcut key to exit from the calculator. And guys, we have a Cygwin also. In Cygwin also you can do the practice, like cal command will print calendar. Then pwd, it will show you the present working directory, and by default your present working directory is this. Because if you'll do who am I, it will show you your admin. Okay. And here you are not able to use bc command because it will not here work here. Then echo dollar shell is a bash shell. But these two apps are different. BC used for the calculation purpose, or it's a calculator, but it's not working in Cygwin tool. So if you want to do the practice of BC, then you must have this thing, Ubuntu applications, or server level also it will work. BC used for the calculator. Then I have a next command which is exit. It used to exit from the session. Like uh, see, I have opened the BC, but I cannot use exit here. That time you have a shortcut key to exit. Control D you can use to exit from this session. And now again you have used exit, then your application will get closed. So it will exit from your current session. Let me log into Ubuntu again. This is what my Ubuntu apps. It's logging in. and again by default I'm in my home directory, that is home Mangesh. Under home directory you can see your users, how many users have the access of this, and whatever users I will add in this operating system, it will come in this. Okay, you have seen that file structure path under by default these files already available or already exist in Unix. Like in Windows we have a C drive, under C drive we have a program files, temp folders. So in Unix we have these folders already exist, like bin contains your commands, executable files. Boot console comes with bootable device. Dev comes with device files. Etc comes with administrations and password related files. Home contains all users who have the access of this, and root is here. See, if you logged in with root, then by default you will come with this directory. Then var comes with the log files contains in var directory. So these are the by default directory already exist once you install operating system on your laptop or server level. Okay, and through pwd I can see I'm in which directory. I'm in this directory. Now I want to go to my home directory. Then we will learn cd command again, but cd used to change the directory. In Windows it is very easy, you can double click on folder, you can enter in that folder. But here we need to use a cd command to enter in any folder. So cd, and this is the tilde sign I'm using, so I can easily jump to my home directory. We will learn this pwd command again, cd command again, but right now let me complete some basic commands in this video. So we have a history command used to check what are the commands you have executed till now. It will show you recorded command history. These are the commands I have used now, and with the help of history command we can see what are the wrong command I have mentioned. That also shows in your uh, terminal. See, uh, after history I'll tell you how to this is one of the important topic, how to install any commands in Unix. Because mailx, this is a command available to, this command used to send the email or chat to anyone's email ID. But mailx, after using mailx, it is saying this mailx command is not found. If you want to install this command on your laptop, then you need to use this command, sudo apt install mailutils. Okay, because mailx command is not available in this laptop, in this terminal. I need to install it, but before installing it there are some steps I need to perform here, and we will learn how to install the mailx command or any other commands. So make sure you must be logged in with the super user, like hash is a root user. Through root user you can do any kind of installation, but I have logged in with my normal user. So if you logged in with your normal user and your user has that credential, that power, then this sudo will give you that kind of power to install it. Okay, sudo I will use because I'll get that the same power which root user has. I'll get it with the help of this sudo, and later I will use app update. It is asking me my password. I'm entering. Okay, app get update actually. It's working. It is directly taking the package from the website called as ubuntu.com, and I'm just updating this package, because after updating this you will able to install any kind of command. Or let me go to the Google, I'll show you. Okay, install mailx command in Linux. So package name I know. How do I install? Okay, let me go to here. There is a this command I have used just now to install my package, and later you can use yum also to install it, or they have also given one command in the terminal, that command also you can use it to install mailx command on your terminal. Now I have given directly package name is here, so I can use that package name to install mailx command. So I have selected it, I have just copy pasted here, enter. So that mailx command is installing now. I'm using Y, and it started to. So it is downloading that mailx packages from the website, and it will start installing on this terminal. So it will take a time because it is downloading some packages. So how to install commands in Unix, that is also very important topic here. You require at least sudo rights, or sudo rights is not there, then you need to use sudo keyword. So yeah, it is asking you something. So I'm using internet side, enter, enter. It is downloading package, and it was asking me some options to choose it. Okay, install commands in Linux. So through root user, through root user you can use only apt get update. It should be in small letter. Okay, apt get update, and later you can, this command you can use. Hash means you are logged in with super user, and after you update this, then we have taken this command for the practice purpose. See, sudo apt install mail util, this is a package is installing now. So I have copied this. Let me check it is pasting. Sudo sudo we don't need to use because I already logged in with root. If you're logged in with root, then there is no need of sudo. But if you logged in with other user, through other user, which are the normal user, and if they have a sudo rights, that time that time they will able to execute. So Mangesh has a sudo rights, that's the reason Mangesh can use sudo option to install any commands. But what Mangesh has to do, Mangesh has to use this command like this. uh, Dollar sign means Mangesh is a other user, and I will mention here sudo always. Same for here, dollar sign sudo. So this will install my mailx command. This is a package name of mailx. Or you can use yum option also. Yum used to install any kind of package on the Linux server or Linux machine. So let's see, it's still installing. It will take a time. 38% is completed. And this is one of the important topic we have learned today, how to install commands on Unix. So if you have your notes, so please make a note of it. This is very important, through root user and through other users. And I have shown you this thing also, because in website you can see the steps how to install it. If you'll directly go and jump to install this package, then it will ask you to update. So this command is very important before moving to this. So first use this command, it will update, it will take the recent update in your Linux operating system, and then you can use apt same command to install the mail utils package in your system. So once it's done, we will see it's still 38% completed. So once 100% is completed, then I will resume back. Let me pause my lecture. Okay guys, I'm back again. It will take a time to install the command because it is taking a package from the Google, and sorry, from the website, and then it will install. Now I have successfully installed the mailx command here. Okay, so look at there is no email for me. I have used mailx command, and it is showing that permission is denied because we need to assign one permissions to this. uh, so I'm assigning sudo 777 sudo ch mode 777 to var, then a mail, and here I have a Mangesh. I have assigned these permissions. Again, I'm getting some. Okay, we will see. Chmod command we will learn later, but there is a permission error getting because of this. Chmod command we will cover later. It used to assign the permission of the files and directory. Now there is a no directory present with the help of Mangesh name of file. So reason it is not taking. So Here, if I want to send email to anyone, I will tell you how to use mailx command. Look at my, I have used control L to clear my terminal, and mailx hyphen s. Here I will give my subject, okay, in double inverted comma, and I want to send that email to someone, like let me put their email ID, uh, suresh dot s at gmail.com. Okay, so what you are doing, you are sending email with this subject line to this person. Okay, enter. It is asking to anyone wants in cc. No, I don't want anyone in cc. Then here I will put my hi team, hi Suresh, this is taste email. Okay, regards, whatever it is, xyz. Once I done control D, automatically this email will shoot and it will go to this inbox. Now again, I don't have a domain service. If you require domain service, you can take it from the Google. This is a paid service which you need to align to this your laptop, and then this mail will shoot out to this email ID. Okay, but in this way, mailx you will use mailx. Here you need to put subject to whom you need to send. Then enter. It will ask for the CC. This is what the mail body. And if you press Control D, then automatically this mail will shoot to the this user. From actual Unix servers this mail will go, but this is our applications. Through that, Suresh will not get this email. I'm just showing you how to use mailx command. Mailx command use, there are a number of ways to use a mailx command, but we'll go slow by slow. So in this video we have covered very important topic, that is installation of new commands. See, you require this already, this already exists in your Linux machine, but if it is not available, then the apt to install apt package, we need to use this command. If it is not there, if it is exist, then you can directly use this thing and this thing. And same for here also. If you logged in with other user and if you don't have a apt package, then this command will help you how to install that apt. So dollar sign means you logged in with the other user. Sudo you need to put here apt get install. So it will install this thing on your Linux machine. Later you will update this. It will take the recent package, and later you will use this command to execute actual mailx command. For mailx command, this is what the package name. So hi, thank you for watching this video, and in next video we'll start few more commands, and see you in next video. Thanks for watching this.